Hey guys, today I am going to start what is React props. Props, short for property, are used in React to pass data from one component to another, typically from a parent to child component. Think of props like function parameter. Just like pass argument to a function, you pass props to component. Props are read-only, you can't change them in the child component. They allow component to be dynamic and reusable. Example, this is the example. Output is hello 𝗲𝗂𝗏. Key point, props are immutable. Props help in component reusability. You pass them like HTML attributes. Let's start the code. This line imports the React library which is necessary to use JSX and create a React component. Function welcome return h1 hello. Welcome name attribute name 𝗲𝗂𝗏. Props dot name. This defines a function component called welcome. It receives props short for property as an argument. It returns heading h1, display hello. This is the main component called app. It returns a div that contains the welcome component. It passes a prop called name with the value 𝗲𝗂𝗏 to the welcome component. This line exports the app component so it can be used as the root component in your application. Usually render in index.js. Output is hello 𝗲𝗂𝗏𝗏. Hello 𝗲𝗂𝗏𝗏. Thanks for watching this video.